All right, welcome back to Canva Creatives Hub. Today we're going to be looking at how to create and sell clip art stickers. I'm actually calling them clip art stickers because you're using stickers, the motivation behind creating stickers, but they end up looking like clip art and they're an interchangeable thing. Clip art is mainly what people are going to be using, especially on Teachers Pay Teachers or TPT in the classroom, where you can do different things with the clip art. In my opinion, clip art and stickers are pretty close, but we're going to be looking at these clip art stickers using Canva and Midjourney. So let's go jump in real quick. So right here, I'm on Midjourney. Now you have to go into a web browser and type in Midjourney, then log in, and then you'll be able to come over here and look at your images and so forth. I like to go to the Explore section and just see what other people are creating. It helps with the prompting and creating a prompt that can get you a result, right? If you're staring at a blank canvas and you just open up Discord and you start trying to come up with these advanced prompts right over here, it's going to take a lot longer to find what you're looking for. And so we're going to go and create something like this right over here. But we can just go over here to search prompts and we would just say clip art. And once you type in clip art, look at all these that show up. Really cool stuff. So you're going to get all these different clip art sets, like right over here. You'd be able to click on this. And this is what you'd be looking for. Simple things, clip art. That is not an advanced prompt, right? But as we start scrolling through and we start looking, you're going to see a lot more collage of cutout images, hand-drawn, cartoon style, clean vector, digital sticker, white background. That white background is important. I'm seeing that is a common theme. This wouldn't quite be as usable with all these kind of bubbles on top of the clip art, unless that's the effect that you're actually going for. You can see you can get some really good stickers and cutouts. And this is the kind of stuff that sells on Etsy and TPT. So we're looking over here. This is just black and white right over here. And you can just keep scrolling through. So I finally found one that I liked and I went ahead and took note. See, look at all these really cool stickers right over here. This is groovy stickers, line doodles, vibrant vibes. And this is why people are creating this stuff, because they're taking it and they're selling it on Etsy and their own shops like Shopify stores and so forth. So what I did was I went and found, so let's go open up Discord and I'll show you some of the prompts that I found. So I found this prompt and it created some pretty good ones right over here. But then I was like, okay, I want to create like a heart pack. It is Valentine's Day in a week. And so let's create like a heart pack. Maybe we'll sell some of these as well. But then also I went and took this a step further and I said something about, when I get a really good result, I'll come over here and I'll find the part that really says what we're actually creating, the main description part. And I'll just change that out. Instead of at cute hearts with white border, I'll say cute hearts with happy faces right here. And so you can see right over here, all these happy face hearts. And those are the types of things that do well in the classroom and that just make it even that much more fun seeing all the hearts and so forth. With white border, fresh illustrations. And then I also found that one of these, look over here, there's no shadow on any of these, but if I scroll up over here, you'll be able to see right here on this one that there is in fact shadow on this one. So this one ended up just producing shadow for no reason really. So I went ahead and specified that by saying no shadow right here. And this is how you start coming up with advanced prompts using the combination of what other people already did and then making it your own by adding in this part right here with happy faces, cute hearts with happy faces, and then also adding in the no shadow. So then we take this right here and then we go in and we create our art inside of Midjourney. You're going to get the best results inside of Midjourney. And I have taken these and tested it in the AI generation tool in Canva, and it just is not going to produce the results that you're looking for. In order to get the product like this that's worthy of selling, you're going to need a more advanced AI tool. At this time, Canva's AI generation tool is not quite advanced enough. I don't know what engine they're using, but they're definitely not using Midjourney capabilities. So what are we going to do to get this up and running and try to sell this? So what we're going to do is we're going to take this. I'm going to go ahead and let's go with the 2, and I'm going to go with 3 and 4 as well. And you're just going to upscale those, right? And then we're going to go and download these real quick. And I'm just right clicking and I believe that this will work. Back in the day, I would find that saving it from this view right here did not work well. So we'll see how it works out. I've found that I always have to open it up in a web and then save it that way. But we'll see. So now we're going to go over here and we're going to go into Canva, and you can like create any size. So if you're going to use this for Etsy, I would recommend just going with a 2000 by 2000 to make it a nice square, very big size. But I'm going to stick with the flyer portrait right over here for now. So we can go in here and go into Canva right here, and then we'll go into uploads and we'll go and try to upload those real quick. So I've got this and this. We're going to go and upload those. Now there's a couple different things that we can do. We might want to provide a couple different ways of going about this. But in general, we're going to click on one of these and we're going to need to be doing some cutting out, right? We're going to need to crop these out. And there's going to be different ways you can do it. You can crop it inside of Canva. You can also use your screenshot tool. There's a lot of different ways to go about doing this. But what we're going to do right here is I'm just going to go and we're going to try the edit photo, and then we're going to crop. And what we're going to do is we're going to need to crop one by one. It is going to take some time, but seriously, look how much time we are saving based on, we didn't have to create these designs, did we? So we're going to go like that, and I'm just going to say done. So we got the first one on there, and then that little X right there, I'm not really sure if you want that. So what we would do is we would, with a edit photo, and then we would do magic eraser. And that's interesting. It actually brings up the entire picture, even though we already cropped it. But that's okay, because I'm going to go and, how do I go down? Okay, this part's not really quite working out. I would recommend probably just cutting out the image and then bringing it in by itself. But I'm going to go ahead and just erase that part right there. And so for full concept, what we would need to do is go like this. I'm going to come in here and try this out with an upscale. We might need to upscale these because you're seeing once we crop this, it is really pixelated. It's not going to work. So what we're going to need to do is come in here. We might need to upscale it ×2 or even ×4, but I'm going to go ahead and let's just shoot out of the gates and do an upscale ×4. It's going to upscale this, and we'll be right back. So this is creating, it's upscaling ×4. It is going to take a while. So that is one of the bummers a little bit about this. But think about it. We're selling a product to people. They're going to be buying it. We want it to be high quality. Now, if you came in here and just grabbed, let's say we duplicate this product right here, and we just throw this in, right? And we just say, hey, come and buy our product. We're going to have to scale this down a little bit, or just drag it over here like this. And what you could do is you could come in here and theoretically put this on a page like so, and maybe zoom in even just a little bit more, try to make it as big as possible. And you could maybe get away with just selling that page like that. But it's one page. You're leaving all the work up to, in my opinion, if I'm going to sell this on Teachers Pay Teachers, TPT, you're leaving all the work up to the teacher, right? They're going to have to come in here. They're going to have to print this. They're going to have to cut this out, or they're going to have to come in here from a digital standpoint, digitized standpoint. They're going to have to screenshot each one. And then if they were making a PowerPoint presentation, for example, and they wanted to use one of these clip arts, they're going to quickly learn how pixelated these become when they try to zoom in and blow them up. You could use these for just to represent what you're creating, but really when we want to come down here, we want to make each one really big so that they can use them and maybe even possibly create them into SVGs. Definitely high quality PNGs. We can also create them into SVGs as well. Let's go check on our blown up ×4. It's right here. And for some reason, right-clicking Save Image, I just don't trust that. So I'm going to go open it up in Web. This is just what I like doing. And you'll be able to see right over here, the prompt right over here as well. I like that prompt. I'm going to go ahead and just save that prompt for myself. And then I'm going to go ahead and right-click, and I'm going to save the image right here. I'm going to say Smile, Hearts, Upscale 4X. And I'm going to push save. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to come in and I'm going to open this up real quick. We're going to do this a little bit different. And I'm going to open this up on my computer. And we've got this really nice, it's nice and big now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in, and you can see it is a lot better now. I'm going to zoom in to where I can zoom in quite a bit and it not be any pixels at all. And then I'm going to show you. So this is going to take some time, but let's go and rock this. Okay. So now we're going to go and take a screenshot, and I'm going to go and screenshot this one right here. And I'm going to say capture. And then I'm going to go and screenshot some more. We're going to go and capture. And I think that this is going to be the best way to go about this, guys. So I'm going to go and screenshot this one as well. Capture. I don't know if I like that one over there, but I like this one over here. Some of them have weird faces. You may want to just skip those ones. And we'll capture a couple more real quick. But this is the method I'm going to go with because this is scaled and blown up. And then we don't have to worry about the size, right? These are really big. The teacher's probably not going to be blowing this up any more than this on any screen or any PowerPoint presentation or anything like that. This one's just a square, but I think it's cool. So we'll go ahead and just capture that one as well. And then we got this yellow heart over here. And so you would just do this. You're going to spend however long this takes, 15 minutes, scanning all these. But I think you get the point. So then now what we can do is we have all those screenshots, and we can go back into our Canva, and we can go and upload these files. And go to recents over here. I'm going to grab all of them and upload them. And if you're going to be doing this and selling this stuff, then it's going to take some time to put together a high quality product like we're doing right now. But then now what you can do is you can go in here and start adding these right here. And you can now look, they're not pixelated. We blew it up a lot, right? And we can square it on the page. And then now you can just go in here and start adding these, duplicate the page, add this one in and blow it up. That way they can really see the item. And now you have all these right here. So this is what I would do. Get another page going, grab this guy in here and make it bigger and recenter. And then what you could do is you could also, once you add all those in, then you're going to be able to go in and you're going to be able to download the PDF and share this, and that will be your final product that you can sell. So they can come in here and they have all these. But then also what you can do with all these that we have now is you can actually bring them in here and do some kind of silly things with them. Turn that one, maybe turn this one, and you can make some pages that help you sell them, right? By putting these guys in here, and you can actually turn them different ways and so forth. So it just looks cool, right? So you have a lot of different options. But then what you'd want to do is, if it was me, I would go in and I would share this and I would download the whole thing as a PNG, and then I would also download the entire thing as a PDF print. So it's high quality. And then I would download all of them as SVGs. So that way you can put in your pack that you're providing PNGs, you're providing a PDF, and then you're providing SVGs. And the potential customer is going to be like, okay, cool. They're providing everything for me. So this is a really cool way to create these cool clip art sticker style clip arts, and that they're on theme, right? These are on theme for Valentine's Day that's coming up. That's it for today's video. I'm going to be creating one of these packs, and I'm going to be publishing it on Teachers Pay Teachers. And what I would do is I would just pick your platform that you want to go and sell these on, Etsy or TPT or your own Shopify store or WordPress store, and go out there and you can create these that teachers will use these, parents will use these, and so forth. So thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more creative tutorials like this on how you can actually do this. I do make money on selling this kind of artwork and on multiple platforms. So if you want to learn more about how to do that, you just want to make sure to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.